In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store apps error codes 80073CF9. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset your Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, and that way you'd be able to bring up a small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. Once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. Okay. And if not, then let's move on to the next solution. And our next solution would be need to set the Microsoft Store install service as in automatic. Press Windows key and R key again. This time, please type for services.msc. This one. Click on the OK button once you are done typing, and then wait until you can bring up the services. So select first, then type M in your keyboard and find for Microsoft Store install service. Make a right click, go with properties, set it into automatic, start the service, click on apply, click on OK. Close the window and restart the PC and check if it is being fixed. And if not, then I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. This one, please copy and then proceed to your button search bar and type for PowerShell. So the moment you have seen the Windows PowerShell under the best matched, please navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. Click on here, and then in this window, I want you to paste the command that you have copied. So Control C to copy and then Control V to paste here at the PowerShell, okay? So complete the procedure and then restart your PC once you are done, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.